小朋友, change is a very natural part of life, which is why the word 变 is important. Before we write it, let's look at a Mandarin secret to explore a common saying with the word 变. The hint to this secret is a little girl. In Chinese, there's a common saying known as 女大十八变. What does this mean? It suggests that a girl undergoes many transformations as she grows up. The number 十八 has two symbolic meanings in this saying. One referring to the many changes a girl experiences in appearance, personality, and maturity over time. And the other meaning refers to the notion of adulthood, since the age 18 is commonly seen as the time when one becomes an adult. Together, this saying highlights both the process of change and the idea of coming of age. What an interesting saying! Now let's see the strokes for the word 变. It's quite complicated, so please pay attention. To write 变, we start with the top part. 我们从上面开始. We start with the dot and a horizontal stroke. Under that, we have two vertical strokes and two dots. 两个点, 一个在最左边, 一个在最右边. Underneath all of that, we have the word 又大又小的又. That's how we write 变. Now you try it.小朋友，你们学会了吗？你们真棒！ That's a hard word to write, so please practice many times. We have two more words to write today, but they have fewer strokes. The first one is 成. That's the word for become. We need it to complete our transformation. The second word is 回. That's the word for return. And we need that word to reverse our transformation and change things back in case we're not 100% happy with the change. Let's write them. To write 成, we start with a horizontal stroke and a slightly slanted stroke. We write a small hook stroke here, almost like we're hiding it. We follow that with a long hook stroke to the right, a short slant stroke, and a dot on top to finish things off. That's how we write 成.